Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of romantic period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 107 into part 1 to 5. This is part 6. This is part 6. तो डियर फ्रेंड्स दिस क्वेश्चन आर वेरी यूजफुल। यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगें तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 108। क्वेश्चन है 108 क्वेश्चन। यस, नेम द पेपर which was started by Coleridge and which was devoted to truth. Name the paper which was started by Coleridge and which was devoted to truth. Option A, The Dawn. Option A, The Dawn. Option B, The Truth. Option C, The Friend. And option D, The Real Account. The Real Account. So option C, The Friend is the correct answer. Now question number 101. Question number 109. Christabel is a poem. Christabel is a poem. Yes, Christabel is a poem. Poem by Coleridge that evokes. Christabel is a poem by Coleridge that evokes. Option A, mystery and horror. Option B, romance. Option C, miracle. And option D, chivalry. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is mystery and horror. Mystery and horror. Now question number 110. Who was expelled from the Oxford University for his ungraduated pamphlet The Necessity of Atheism? Option A, S.T. Coleridge. Option B, Lord Byron. Option C, P.B. Shelley. And option D, John Keats. So P.B. Shelley is the correct answer. P.B. Shelley, option C. Question number 111. What Biographia Literaria means? Biographia Literaria means option A, autobiography of literature. Option B, literary autobiography. Option C, biography of literature. Option D, biographical literature. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is literary autobiography, यानी कि ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 112. The romantic writer were influenced by the idealism of German philosophers such as. The romantic writers were influenced by the idealism of German philosophers such as option A, Kant and Rousseau. Option B, Rousseau and More. Option C, More and Hegel. Option D, Kant and Hegel. So option D, Kant and Hegel is the correct answer. Now question number 113. Who among the following had called Wordsworth moral eunuch? किसने मोरल यूनिट कहा था वर्ड्सवर्थ को? ऑप्शन ए बायरन, ऑप्शन बी ब्राउनिंग, ऑप्शन सी सैली एंड ऑप्शन डी अर्नोल्ड. सो हु सेड? सैली सेड दिस. सैली यानी ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 114. कुबला खान वाज कंपोज्ड इन अ ड्रीम. कुबला खान जो है वो ड्रीम में कंपोज की गई थी. द पोएट वॉज इंटरप्टेड इन हिज वेंचर एंड फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग बियॉन्ड द. और पोएट किस लाइन के बाद ये सब कुछ भूल गया था? ऑप्शन ए 54 लाइन्स, ऑप्शन बी 64 लाइन्स, ऑप्शन सी 84 लाइन्स एंड ऑप्शन डी 94 लाइन्स. सो ऑप्शन ए 54 लाइन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 114 ऑप्शन ए 54 लाइन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द मैरिनर इन द राइम ऑफ द एंशिएंट मैरिनर किल्ड ए बर्ड. द मैरिनर इन द राइम ऑफ द एंशिएंट मैरिनर किल्ड ए बर्ड. आइडेंटिफाइड दैट बर्ड. कौन सा वो बर्ड था जिसको मारा गया था? ऑप्शन ए फ्लेमिंगो, ऑप्शन बी स्वान, ऑप्शन सी एल्बर्ट रोस एंड ऑप्शन जी पेंगुइन. So option C, Albert Ross is the correct answer. Now question number 116. Which of the following is not a work of S.T. Coleridge? Which of the following is not a work of S.T. Coleridge? इसमें से कौन सा वर्क S.T. Coleridge का नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए, Fears in Solitude, ऑप्शन बी, A Night Piece, ऑप्शन सी, Religious Musing, and ऑप्शन डी, Frost at Midnight. Frost at Midnight. So option B is the correct answer. Now question number 117. Who emphasized the use of language really used by man for poetry? Who emphasized the use of the language really used by man for poetry? Option A, Coleridge, option B, Shakespeare, option C, Chaucer, and option D, Wordsworth. So option D, Wordsworth is the correct answer. Question number 118. Who made a scathing attack on the contemporary literary scene through his satire English and the Edinburgh Review? Option A, P.B. Shelley, option B, Lord Byron, option C, William Hazlitt, and option D, Sir Walter Scott. So which one is the correct answer? Option B, Lord Byron. Lord Byron is the correct answer. Lord Byron is the correct answer. Question number 119. Name the poet whose staggering gait resulting from lameness became a fashion in the socialite societies throughout Europe. Option A, Lord Byron, option B, Sir Walter Scott, option D, George Crabbe, and option D, William Blake. So option A, Lord Byron is the correct answer. Byron's mother was a stern. Option A, Protestant, option B, nun, option C, Calvinist, option D, Catholic. So option C, Calvinist is the correct answer. Byron kept a wild animal as a pet in the University of Cambridge. What was that animal? वो कौन सा जानवर था? ऑप्शन ए वोल्फ, ऑप्शन बी बियर, ऑप्शन सी स्टैग, एंड ऑप्शन डी डियर. सो ऑप्शन बी बियर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 122. In 1815 Byron married with. 1850 में लॉर्ड बायरन ने किससे शादी की थी? ऑप्शन ए क्लियरमॉन्ट, ऑप्शन बी टेरेसा गुइसोली, ऑप्शन सी एनी इजाबेला मिलबाउक, एंड मैरी गॉडविन. सो ऑप्शन सी एनी इजाबेला मिलबाउक. ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 123. When a man hath no freedom to fight for at home, let him combat for that of his neighbors. Let him think of the glories of Greece and Rome, and get knocked on the head of his labors. Who wrote these famous lines? Option A, William Blake, option B, P.B. Shelley, option Sir Walter Scott, and option D, Lord Byron. So Lord Byron is the correct answer, option D. Now question number 124. Which of the following poet wrote a lyric on this day I complete my 36th year and shortly afterwards died of malaria? Which of the following poet wrote a lyric of this day I complete my 36th year and shortly afterwards died of malaria? Option A, John Keats, option B, Lord Byron, option C, P.B. Shelley, and option D, George Crabbe. So option B, Lord Byron is the correct answer. Byron's letters were published after his death by his friend. बायरन्स का जो लेटर्स है वो पब्लिश किया गया उनकी डेथ के बाद. किस फ्रेंड ने किया था? ऑप्शन ए थॉमस मोर, ऑप्शन बी थॉमस कार्लाइल, ऑप्शन सी जॉर्ज हर्बर्ट, एंड ऑप्शन डी अलेक्जेंडर पोप. सो ऑप्शन ए थॉमस मोर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 126. Hours of Idleness by Byron was published in 1807 when he was only. Hours of Idleness by Byron was published in 1807 when he was only. Option A 19, option B 20, option C 21, and option D 22. So he was only 19. Option A is the correct answer. Byron's child Harold's pilgrimage is written in. Option A blank verse, option B heroic couplet, option C Spenserian stanza, and option D closed couplet. So option C Spenserian stanza is the correct answer. Question number 128. The word Bride of Abydos and the Giver by Byron, written in. Option A Spenserian stanza, option B tetrameter couplets, option C blank verse, and option D heroic couplet. So option B tetrameter couplet is the correct answer. Now question number 129. Beppo by Byron was written in. जो बेप्पो है वो कॉलरेज के द्वारा लिखा गया था. द बायरन बेप्पो by Byron was written in. Option A heroic couplet, option B blank verse, option C tetrameter couplet, and option D Ottava Rima. So option D Ottava Rima is the correct answer. Beppo by Byron was written by Ottava Rima. Question number 136. Byron's hour of idleness was criticized by. Option A the Bee, option B the Tatler, option C the Edinburgh Review, and option D the Quarterly Review. So which one is the correct answer? The Edinburgh Review, option C is the correct answer. Question number 131. Which play of Byron appears to be parody of Goethe Faust? Option A Manfred, option B The Prisoner of Chillon, option C Don Juan, and option D The Vision of Judgment. So option A Manfred is the correct answer. Now question number 132. Byron wrote two poems in loose heroic couplet, one of which is the Corsair, and what is the other one? Byron ने दो पोएम लिखी थी. ऑप्शन ए मतलब एक है द कॉर्सेयर, व्हाट इज द अदर वन, दूसरी कौन सी है? ऑप्शन ए बेप्पो, ऑप्शन बी आवर्स ऑफ आइडलनेस, ऑप्शन सी द गिवर, एंड ऑप्शन डी लारा. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों तो इन वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए. The Vision of Judgment by Byron is a satire on. The Vision of a Judgment by Byron is a satire on. Option A Coleridge, option B Robert Southey, option C Walter Scott, and option D P.B. Shelley. So option B Robert Southey is the correct answer. This is the last question. A change came over the spirit of my dream, the lady of his love. Oh, she was changed. These lines are from option A Don Juan, option B The Vision of the Judgment, option C Lara, and option D The Dream. So option D The Dream is the correct answer.